I am back with your 5K account challenge. It's another update time, and I got a special video for you. Let's dive in right now. Friends and family, fans from around the globe. Oh, I am so jacked and amped right now to be hanging out with you all. Just got back from the Turks and Caicos Islands for the Money Grows on Trees event, and it was a very profitable, very lucrative event for all who attended. And what we're going to do now is do another update on the 5K account. So to keep things easy, you'll notice that we started off with 5,000 back in May, late May. And I've been trading this account primarily almost exclusively in Tesla with one other trade that didn't work out. And so now it is 8,300. Consistent and intentional wins the race. Exited Tesla for a huge win. Account's now again at 8,300, which is fantastic. Overall, I have about $15,000 of buying power. And to keep things more exciting, I will not get back into Tesla with this particular account, although I should. And it probably will go back up. I mean, once it breaks 1,000 at this point, Tesla will most likely hit 2,000 in the next year and some change. Any dip, I think, will get bought up. So something like this could occur, but Tesla goes higher over time. And again, I could take this account and just put it right back in on some dips and just ride it back up and just keep making money that way. But for excitement purposes and also just for leverage purposes, I'm going to be buying some shares of Upwork. They had another good earnings. They have made 4 cents a share. Estimate was negative 2 cents a share. And I also played this in another account where I got into a collar, selling call way up here and having a long put. And when we gapped down, I was able to buy to close this call up here and sell the put for a win in that other account. However, what I'm going to do now is start legging into some positions on Upwork in this account, $8,300. That'll be enough to get me over 100 shares at some point so I can do a covered call and, you know, it'd be really fun. So I'm expecting eventually to have 200 shares in this one probably before the end of December. And when that happens, then I will, once I get 200 shares, then I'll be doing some covered calls and have a good time. So here's what we're going to do is I'm going to buy some shares off of the 100 simple moving average, and then I'm going to buy about 10 shares every few dollars down, and then that'll be my setup for right now. So 50.55 will be 10 shares. That's 50.55. And again, every few cents, $50 exactly, I'll buy 20. So here's 20 shares. All right, so 50 exactly will be 20. And then a little bit of a double bottom kind of pattern right here off this little candle right here. So this will be 30. All right. So 30 shares. Again, this is, you can kind of see a nice implementation of a pyramid, even with the smaller accounts. It's already 60 shares off this little candle right here. And then I'll do 40 shares at this price. So 40 shares. This is off the 200 simple moving average. So that's 48.46. And then I will do 50 shares right here. 50 shares right at 47.38. 50 shares. And I will leave these trades open without doing anything with them at all. I'll leave those open for about a week or so. I won't even touch it, won't adjust it, no stops, nothing. They'll just set all these up, ready to go. And so if we do something like this over the next week and then slowly bounce out of here, fantastic. I'll have a decent amount of shares. I mean, so that's 90, 100, 150 if I get filled on all those. And we'll go from there. I'll add the other 50 into November, December as we get closer into the end of the year. So this will be my setup for Upwork on this particular 5K account. And thank you so much for watching this update, guys. You're awesome. Let's go keep making some money together, continue to be amazing, enriching lives, impacting individuals all over the world. You, my friends, are fantastic.